Hey guys, today is my third video of the Crazy 8. I put a little jump to make some to modify it. So this does gonna race around and then jump here, like the other side. But if the other car crashes into the other jump on the side, the other car then coming this way, this car will smash on the side. You'll see that. Okay. So the Crazy 8. I have 3 videos of the Crazy 8. You have to go check out those ones in the description below. But this is my third one. Third video. Third thing. Everyone. Hey.
Hi, Mohammed Ali.
Hi. Okay. I'll just eat some bread. Okay. I decided to put a finish line, but I didn't want to put it. But let's make some trouble. Okay. Let's go somewhere. I know when they walk, it just makes a little shake of the camera. Go around. Let's see how far down there. Here's how far down there. See? My hand over here. Okay, let's go now. Nothing was here. See me? Hi, see me in the camera? See me in the mirror? Let's go somewhere else. Let's go downstairs again. Oh, everyone has to hold the railings. Let's go. Run. Okay. Sorry. Here's a crazy 8. Mama?
Baba, I'm a little busy, baby.
I'm just gonna need this water bottle for something.
That's fine. If you're hungry, whenever you're hungry, let me know.
Okay, this is good. Okay, so this is me right here. See? So when the car is coming this way, this one is gonna come like this, faster. This one comes in more faster. It bumps into the side. So go like this again. So restart and do the same thing. And as the car crashes into them, the same thing. You have to restart. Okay, fix this. You are gonna come right here. I'm gonna go here and then here. Okay, this is the setup. So I did a good setup. Oh, I forgot to fix this. There we go. Here's the track. Okay, I do the same camera. Okay guys, this has been my video of the Crazy 8. Crazy 8. see like a little like eye thingy. Okay, this has been my video, and we're gonna finish it right now. This is my video. Nice to see you again. See you in my 4th video. Peace.